How to connect Instagram to Facebook. So let's see in this video. Before moving forward, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more updates from us. So let's begin. So the first step is you need to open up your Instagram application on your device. After opening up, if you have got multiple accounts, then you need to log into the account to which you want to connect your Facebook. After logging in, you will be able to see the home page of Instagram. So in order to add Facebook, you need to first tap on your profile option in the right bottom corner, and you have to go for 3-bar horizontal line in the right upper corner. From here you have to tap on settings and privacy. After that, you'll be able to see various settings. Among them, you have to go for account center. Under the account center, you'll be able to see the connected experiences where you have to tap. And there are two options, sharing across profile and logging in with accounts. You have to go for sharing across profiles. After that, here you will be able to see your Instagram account. Since I have already added my Facebook, it is already available over here. In your case, there will be only Instagram account, so you have to simply go for add account option. And from over here you have to select your Facebook account and go for continue, and by doing that your Instagram will be connected to Facebook. So hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel for more updates from us. Thanks for watching.